How's it going, everybody? I hope you're all having a great week. So today I'm going to be doing a simple video. I actually got this in the mail right now. It's my rear hatch actuator, which if you guys follow my videos, you guys know has been bad for about a year now. And this finally came in the mail. It was actually lost in transit. It took almost 2 months to get here, but it's here. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this quick and simple install. Let's go. Okay, so if you're like me and you have this rear hatch actuator problem, it is quite simply just that this white lever or whatever is not working properly because the actuator has gone bad. So if I want to open my hatch, I have to constantly be opening and closing or just moving that lever in order for my hatch to open. So we're going to be replacing that actuator right there. Okay, so to do this quick installation, you have to basically remove this plastic trims in the back in your hatch, and you do that by basically just popping this open, and you're gonna find 2 screws, one here obviously, and then one on the other side. There we go. So you're gonna want to remove those 2 screws first. So let's get that done. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start now prying off. I removed the screws, so I'm gonna start prying off. So I just removed this side, and the way you want to work it is you want to start working from the part highest to the hatch, and then it'll come going down. It'll come off on its own. After having removed those 2 trim pieces, you want to go ahead and remove this screw from your rear hatch. Then you're just gonna want to start pulling uniformly down on your rear hatch, and then you should feel these clips starting to come out. Once you feel you have removed all these clips from your rear hatch, you're gonna want to make a little bit of force of this piece towards the front of your car, because there are tabs running all throughout this piece right here, and they need force in this direction in order to come out. So like I said, I did a forward motion of pushing, and it just really lightly did a couple of thuds, clicks, and it came right off. So the piece that we're going to be swapping out is this is the rear hatch actuator. That's the part I ordered in the mail, and we're going to be replacing that. So this is it right here. This is the new actuator, and we're going to take this out of the bag. So yeah, this is actually the piece that works the lever, if I'm not mistaken. So let's swap it out. So to remove the old actuator is actually pretty simple. It's just this screws right here, and then you're gonna want to remove these clips for your sensors. So to remove your rear actuator, the old one, you just want to remove these 2 screws, and then undo these right here. And then once you undo these and take off the screws, it'll come right off. So there you go. This is the old actuator. That's how it looks without the actuator, and we're gonna go ahead and place the new one in its place. Okay, so how do you place the new one? And this is exact position as the old one, so it's gonna be somewhat like this, and then you want this little tab to connect with this other white. So it should look like that once again, and then make sure that this tab is has enough room to grab this little like stick or whatever plastic thingy, so that the actuator can actually function. There we go. We're done. Finally, just connect again. Power. And once you do that, it should be good to go. There we go. Boom. So once you have that in place, I'm just going to test it real quick before putting on my plastic pieces back again. So let's close it. I heard it click. So it's supposed to be closed. It's closed. Let's open it up. I heard it click again. Now it's opening. So we fixed that problem. Finally. So then finally just start putting back your trim pieces. I already got started. I put this one on first in the reverse order as you took them off. So we'll put this the back hatch trim first, then this one, I mean the side ones. And remember to screw in the screw you removed from here, which I did. Remember to put that in once you put the side trim pieces in. Also make sure to remember to put this screw back in that hole right there to keep the rear trim fastened in place. So let's test it again. It's open right now. As you can see, my car is dirty. Yeah, I know. Yep, hit the beeper, key fob, whatever, and open. Double tap. Yeah. Close. Yeah, it's working beautifully now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on how to change your rear hatch actuator. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer them. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.